Hey guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how to promote Clickbank products. You'll learn how to join Clickbank and select great products. You'll also learn a strategy I use every day to advertise those products, and then we'll discuss several traffic methods you can use to drive visitors to your websites. And I'll also take you through a real life example that I have, showing you every step in the process. So hey, my name is Richard. This is the School of Nomads. You can catch me at theschoolofnomads.com. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you find this video useful, go ahead and hit the like and leave me a comment below. So here are the basic steps you need to do when you're thinking about promoting products on Clickbank. So first of all, you need to create a Clickbank account. Then you need to go into the marketplace and select a good product. Once you've got that great product, you can build a website and create a landing page. You need to connect your autoresponder to the landing page. And then you need to get some great sources of traffic so you can drive visitors to your landing page. So I'm going to go through exactly how to do each one of these steps, and I'm going to show you a real life example of a product that I'm promoting every day. So let's jump over to Clickbank. I'll show you how to create an account, and then we'll go through some tips and tricks about how to find good products to promote. So here we are over on Clickbank. You just need to go to clickbank.com and it brings you to this home page. The first thing we need to do is go ahead and create an account. So it's very simple to do. Just fill in your details in this form here. Go ahead and tick the terms and conditions once you've read them, and then you can join Clickbank. Once inside, they'll ask you for a few more details for your account, such as your address, an account nickname that you're going to use, and several other details. But again, very, very simple to actually join in the first place. So once you've signed in, you want to go over to the marketplace. This is where all of the products of the different vendors are actually kept, and they're all kept by various categories. So on the left hand side here, you'll have categories where all of those vendor products are. You'll also have a search function up here, so you can find specific products. If you wanted to find something around babies, whatever it is, women's fitness, you can type in the actual description in there, press search, and it'll go ahead and try and find that product for you, or group of products that are around that topic. So you want to pick whatever you're interested in promoting, whatever category or niche you're interested in promoting. You want to kind of search within these categories. So I'll just take, I don't know, health and fitness. That's usually a massive one as an example. And then you have all of the categories that are under these, and all of the products that are underneath this category listed here. Now there's lots and lots of products here. There's multiple pages, over 115 pages of products. So the best thing to do is actually go and search by something called gravity. Now gravity is to estimate the number of affiliates that are currently making sales with this product. So it's a good indicator of how popular a product is and how many affiliates are actually making sales with it currently. It's not a direct correlation, because there is some weighted element to it, that when that product becomes more popular and it's gaining traction, the gravity is affected. So there is part of the calculation is that piece. But the higher the gravity, usually the more popular the product is, and the more affiliates are actually making sales with it. The downside of that is that the higher the gravity, the more affiliates are making sales, the more competition you'll have. But that doesn't really matter, because there's enough of the marketplace for everybody to exist. Just keep that in mind though. If you're going ahead and looking for products, you don't always need to go for the most popular one. You can go for something with slightly less gravity, but it means you'll have less people. So the highest one seems to be this Cinderella solution. The average percentage sale is here, $36. Anything around $30 is good, but I'll show you something else as well that can also influence whether this is a good product to promote. So $36. They're saying that they're giving you 95% commission on the overall price. So again, that's very, very good for you. The average rebill total, so this $6.97 means there is some form of rebilling going on, some form of membership that is billed every month. So the affiliate will also get a percentage of that rebill. So that's pretty low really, $6. But again, this is a very, very popular product. So this could be a really good one to look at. This Heike diabetes remedy, $30, another good one. Great gravity at $278. But then the really good thing is the rebill here is $97. So the rebill here, the monthly billing that people are getting, is a lot higher. Could be a really good one. So again, you just scroll through and find whichever one of these is of interest to you. So if you want more information on it, all you need to do is click on the title itself, and it'll take you through to the website. This is some kind of female fat loss product, so there's a video on here. So this is the sales page. If you wanted to promote this, what we need to do is go to the affiliate page. So if you click on the affiliate page, on these affiliate pages, they will have lots and lots of resources that you can use to promote. So they'll have all sorts of advertising kits. This one's got one for Facebook. They have video sales pages here that you can link to. They have banners and images that you can take and put on your website. Lots of advertising training, Facebook advertising training. So obviously, because this is a very, very popular one, being such a high gravity, there's a lot of resources on here that you can use. And there's email swipes here, there's banners here, all sorts of information. So if I want to go ahead and get the link that we use to promote this product so that we can get credit for any sales in ClickBank, all we need to do is use this link here and replace the 4 X's with your account nickname. So once you have that link, you're ready to go and use that link then to go and promote this product. I will also show you a way to make these links look a lot nicer once I show you my real life example later on. So I'm back over on the Clickbank Marketplace, and I actually wanted to show you a product that I'm currently promoting, and I want to show you all the way through the process using this product. So the one I'm currently promoting is something called Baby Sleep Miracle. The average sale is only about $20, but rebuild total is over 165. So this product really appealed to me. The gravity being 51 in this niche is pretty good as well, because obviously it is, the niches are really centered around parents, new parents, and how to get babies to sleep. So it's not massive. With 75% commission and then there's 4 upsells here, this is a really good offer. So this is one that I'm actually using. If I go into the affiliates page, there's lots of material actually here that you can use to go ahead and promote this. But I want to show you exactly how I'm doing it. So on here, all I needed to do is put my affiliate hop link in here. This is my username, and I can create a link that I can now use, this link here, to go ahead and promote this product. So I'm going to jump over to my website, and I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going about promoting this product. So I'm actually over on my website, and this is the website I use to promote Baby Sleep Miracle. What this landing page is designed to do is it allows me to collect people's email addresses and then forward them to the actual sales page of the product. This product sales page is actually kind of a value-based video on the front end, and it gives the parents some advice anyway on how to get babies to sleep and the kind of methods they can use, but it also leads them on to the much more detailed product. So I am giving them some value for their email address. On the back end then, I'm getting sales if they decide to go for more details about that product. So that's what the landing page is designed to do. If I go ahead and edit this, my page builder is something called Thrive Architect. If you look on this channel, I've got several other videos that go through many Thrive Architect topics, including how to connect autoresponders, how to develop landing pages like this. So go check out the other videos on the channel. But for the purposes of this, I wanted to show you, if I go ahead and click where the email address is here, you can see that I've connected my autoresponder directly to this page. Now, my autoresponder happens to be GetResponse. I have a list on GetResponse that collects email addresses. And what that allows me to do is, once I have their email address, I have several emails in there which are allowing me to communicate with people after they've gone ahead and viewed my page. If I don't do that and I just give an affiliate link out to people and they directly link to a sales page, if they decide not to buy, that's the opportunity lost. So what you need to do is develop a website, very simple website, have some form of page builder on there. As I said, this is Thrive Architect, and then build yourself a landing page that allows you to capture their details. And this allows you to then follow up and market after they've visited. If they've shown some interest, you can send them more emails that allows you to give them more value, give them more advice about babies, discuss other topics, and then also link back to the initial product. So it's a very, very good way so that once people have visited, you don't lose them. So on this, what I've done is I've connected GetResponse to the email address, and then in Thrive Architect, it allows me to connect them directly to the product itself. Now you see that the actual target URL here is different from the one that I looked at on Clickbank. Clickbank affiliate links tend to be very ugly. So if I just exit this page and go back to my main website, I'm just going to show you a quick tip. If you have a WordPress site, one of the best things to do if you're an affiliate marketer and you don't want to be giving out those ugly affiliate links to everybody, is go ahead and download something called Pretty Links. All you need to do is go into your plugins and then type in the word Pretty Links. Once you've downloaded it, go ahead and add new. And all you need to do is cut and paste the affiliate link in here, which will be the standard Clickbank one. And then you can type whatever you want into the Pretty Link. So you can call it the newborn years, baby sleep advice, baby sleep, whatever you want to call it. And then once you've pressed update, that link becomes live and you can use that link instead of the affiliate link. Why that's useful is because Clickbank links are very ugly. This can make it look a lot more professional, because obviously you're linking to a subsection of your actual website and it just looks a lot better. So quick recap, we went off and created a Clickbank account. I showed you how to select a good product. Use Gravity as the first way of sorting through the products. It allows you to see which of those products are being sold by the most affiliates, and obviously gives you a good indication of its popularity. Go ahead and build a simple WordPress website. I have a page builder called Thrive Architect. You can use whatever page builder you want to do that. Create a simple landing page. Make sure you're capturing people's details before you send them through to the main offer. Biggest mistake is trying to send people directly to an offer. Yes, you may make a few sales, but you'll lose a lot of people that are not interested the first time they see it. Capturing some form of detail like an email address allows you to create emails within your autoresponder to then follow up to those people later. So connect that landing page to your autoresponder, and then I'll go through a few traffic methods, both free and paid, that I use to generate traffic to my websites. So here's just a few suggestions for traffic sources. So first of all, you can use something like Instagram. So Instagram, you'll see a lot of people on Instagram that actually have various offers within their bios. And then within their posts, they'll sometimes say within the comments, in my bio, go and see more information in my bio. There is a trick to Instagram. What you don't want to do is be very spammy with it and just post the same content all the time. If you're in a niche where you can post actual photographs of people doing whatever it may be, or you can post maybe humorous, you want to kind of mix things up. You don't want to post people back to your offer all of the time. But Instagram is absolutely huge and the audience is huge. So it takes a while to get some following. You need to find people in that same niche and you need to follow them and they'll follow you back. It takes a while to build up a following. But once you do, it's very, very powerful. You can have Facebook ads that obviously people's interest and then link back to your landing pages. Or you could develop your own group. So you can find a group of like-minded people, develop your own group and then invite people. And then from there, using your content, fact-based content, some funny content. Again, this is social media, so you need to mix it up. You can have a very interested group that once you have these kind of offers, you can kind of say, hey, come and have a look at this offer. I think Facebook's very good on a number of levels. If you're using Facebook ads, make sure you really learn about how to use Facebook ads effectively. But groups you can start for absolutely free, like your friends. And then Twitter's the same. You can post your affiliate links on Twitter. Again, it takes a bit of time to grow a following. You don't want to spam people with them. You want to be given interesting tweets and information. But again, Twitter is a huge, huge marketplace. Google, you can do blogging. So if you've got a particular interest in your niche and you want to create a website that not only has that landing page, but also has a blog, so you're writing articles for that blog, and then you get them to rank in Google, that's a great way to drive traffic directly to your offers. And then YouTube, which is a strategy that I use every day to drive traffic back to my offers. This is a huge, huge opportunity for anybody who wants to kind of engage with an audience and then show them interesting things and link back to products that may interest them. So absolutely huge, YouTube. If you check out the link in the description below, I'll take you through a strategy that shows you how to do this step by step, but this is something I use every day. And also Pinterest. So Pinterest, interestingly enough, is also very, very effective for driving traffic in certain niches. So yes, it does need a little bit of creativity when you're creating pins. You do need some time to allow your following to grow. What you need to do is go ahead and follow other people, and then they follow you back. But it allows you to kind of follow people within the niche that you're after. So you may want to go and follow people that are in the parenting niche, and then look at all the people that follow them in the parenting niche and kind of try and start following them, and then they'll be attracted back to your offers. So Pinterest, again, is very big, and it allows you to grow quite rapidly once you start getting that following. So this is just a few traffic sources as a suggestion. So this is just few of my traffic sources as a suggestion. I will have other videos that go through these in much more detail and explain how to use each one. This is kind of just an overview of how you go and select that product from ClickBank, how you develop a website for that product, and then what kind of traffic you could use to promote that product. So I hope you found that overview useful. Thanks for watching. This is Richard from the School of Nomads. Check out the link below if you want to learn a simple strategy for making money online that I use every day. Any questions, you can find me at richard@theschoolofnomads.com. Thanks all.